Another of the 8 Black River Lockup escapees who escaped last June recaptured. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has advised of the recapture of Demar Williams, also known as Demon or Kai Kai, who the force described as a known violence producer and who was among 8 escapees from the Black River lockup in St. Elizabeth on June 19 last year. Williams has also been cited as having close ties with the One Order gang. In a release, the police said that Williams' apprehension marks a significant development in the ongoing efforts to combat organized crime and to ensure public safety. However, no details were provided on the actual recapture of Williams. A number of the others among the 8 Black River escapees have been recaptured, killed in confrontation with security forces, or been killed otherwise. We continue our efforts to locate and apprehend the remaining escapees and dismantle criminal networks that have threatened our community's safety and security, the police said in the release. We encourage anyone with information on the whereabouts of the remaining escapees or any criminal activities to come forward and assist in our ongoing investigation. Information can be shared with Crime Stop at 311, the police emergency number 119, the NIB tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.